Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about allowing or blocking pop-ups or website redirections in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So I do want to put a quick disclaimer out here. There's nothing that's perfect and it's not necessarily going to be guaranteed to prevent or block all pop-ups or redirects. However, it should do a pretty good job just overall. So just want to put that out there. Nothing's 100% foolproof, but it should do a pretty good job at it. Just if it was turned off for some reason, you probably want to turn it on and follow this video. So anyway, we're going to jump into it, and we are going to start by opening up the Edge browser. And then you're going to select the settings and more button at the top right corner of said browser window. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select settings near the bottom of this list. You want to select cookies and site permission on the left side here. So in my case, it only says site permissions, but it may say cookies and site permissions depending on what version of Edge you're using here. So now over here on the right, you're going to go select pop-ups and redirects. Let's go ahead and left click on that. And you want to make sure pop-ups and redirects is blocked. So it's toggled to the on position. If you wanted to unblock pop-ups and redirects, you could just turn it off. But again, you don't really have to necessarily do either all on or all off because you have options to add exceptions to whatever this rule is up here. So if you want to add blocked sites or allowed sites, depending on what you want to do, you're more than welcome to add specific website domains. You just paste it in here. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.